Secure your iPhone hotspot, a comprehensive guide.
Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to learn how to prevent unauthorized users from connecting to your iPhone hotspot. Securing your iPhone hotspot is crucial not only to save your data but also to keep your internet connection running smoothly and protect your privacy.
What is an iPhone hotspot?
An iPhone hotspot, or a personal hotspot, is a feature that allows your iPhone to share its cellular data connection with other devices. This is incredibly useful when you're in a place without a reliable Wi-Fi connection. However, you wouldn't want just anyone connecting to your hotspot and using your data, would you?
How to prevent unwanted connections to your hotspot.
Let's walk through the steps of how you can prevent someone from connecting to your iPhone hotspot. 1. Change your hotspot password. By default, your iPhone will generate a random password for your hotspot. Changing this to a strong, unique password can deter unauthorized users. Navigate to Settings, to Personal Hotspot, to Wi-Fi Password. Here, you can enter your new password. 2. Turn off, allow others to join. If you want to temporarily prevent new devices from connecting to your hotspot, you can disable the Allow Others to Join option. This can be found under Settings, to Personal Hotspot. Remember that this doesn't disconnect devices that are already connected. 3. Turn off your hotspot when not in use. The simplest way to prevent unwanted connections is by turning off your hotspot when it's not needed. You can do this by going to Settings, to Personal Hotspot, and then toggling the switch off. 4. Only allow connections from specific devices. If you frequently share your hotspot with certain devices, you can enable family sharing. This lets you allow connections from specific Apple devices that are part of your family sharing group.
What are other ways to secure your iPhone?
Beyond securing your hotspot, there are other ways to ensure the security and privacy of your iPhone. Make sure to keep your device updated, use strong passcodes, enable two-factor authentication for your Apple ID, and regularly review which apps have access to your personal data. And that's it. With these steps, you now know how to prevent someone from connecting to your iPhone hotspot. Remember, the key to digital security is vigilance. Keep your devices secure and stay safe online. We hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.